a stunning 6 acres equestrian estate nestled in the heart of Coto De Caza, California. As we approach this magnificent estate, one cannot help but be captivated by its exquisite Spanish Revival architecture. The exterior, a harmonious blend of stucco, red-tiled roofs, and intricate wrought iron details, evokes a sense of timeless elegance. The grand arched entryway, flanked by manicured gardens and mature olive trees, sets the stage for the grandeur that lies within. Make your way through the front door to 2-story ceilings adorning the formal living room that showcases a floor-to-ceiling fireplace and an abundance of natural light. The gourmet kitchen, a culinary enthusiast's dream, boasts professional-grade appliances, custom cabinetry, and a substantial island perfect for both intimate family meals and grand entertaining. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of serenity, offering panoramic views of the lush surroundings. The meticulously landscaped backyard is an entertainer's dream, boasting a sparkling swimming pool, a cascading spa, and an outdoor kitchen complete with a built-in barbecue.